when you actually design a pop-up, everybody, what it comes down to it is you need your insert and you need your stencil. Now the stencil shows you straight lines and it shows you broken lines. In the crafting world, straight lines mean cutting lines and broken lines mean scoring. Now all the stencils do come with instructions, or you can watch this video back. Now the other thing that you will need is either a creaser or a bone folder. So simply fold your paper like so and press down. Now to do inserts you need to use paper. Now the reason why I'm saying that is because you're putting this inside a card, so it needs, I mean, I'm using the actual satin paper, which is 120, it's a GSM, but you can use any paper for the inside, because also we are going to be doing a double step here. So then all I'm then doing is putting this on top like so. Now what you need to make sure is it's straight at the top. You can put tape, I don't necessarily put tape on. And then simply you are going around that. And all I'm doing is holding that still and following the lines. So straight lines first, and then you then have the score lines. And as you can see, I mean, I'm using a pencil. You can go along it, you can rub it off later, but when you see how I put it together, it doesn't matter. So this has taken seconds so far just to go around this. Now we have 9 different stencils in the collection. So there you have straight lines, broken lines. And then all I'm doing, everybody, is turning it over. From the spine, you are cutting. So what I'm doing is going down that line like so, right up to the end. You can see what I've done. And then do the same. And this is where it's very important, because people said to me, how do I cut those 2 lines? Look what I'm doing. I rotate it and I fold it. And this is why I say a creaser is really worth it, because then what you do is crease that. So you need to make sure you fold it over and crease it, and then repeat the same action. Then you can actually cut your straight lines, and it's very important that you cut right up to where it tells you. And then you fold over, and this is why a creaser is important, because you are creasing these lines. So the thicker the paper, the harder it will be, because you're essentially doing a double crease. Right, and then this is where the magic happens, everybody. You bring it forward, each section, like so. You open it up, and then having the spine facing you, you then push with your fingers forward. Okay, you do a section at a time, and then you push the next bit forward like so until every section is forward like that, and then you can simply recrease those lines, because the creasing is what holds it up. Because what you want to do is when you open it, look at that, you have that wow factor. Can you see? It's nice and sharp, and that is what will hold the paper up. So because you want to, when you give the card to somebody, when you open it up, you want the person to display it like so, which is why it's important to have the crease lines and it's nice and sharp. Look how easy that was. Minutes, didn't it? It is so easy to do. So if you haven't done it before, I really would recommend you having a go.